This morning, the Supreme Court appears conflicted over President Trump's controversial executive order to end the right to birthright citizenship, something he promised on the campaign trail.
It's just absolutely ridiculous, but, we'll see. We have very good grounds.
It's a right guaranteed by the Constitution's 14th Amendment for more than 150 years. Federal judges in 3 states have ruled the ban is unconstitutional, issuing nationwide injunctions blocking it from going into effect anywhere in the country. The administration insisting those judges should not have such broad authority.
We have the government racing from jurisdiction to jurisdiction, having to sort of clear the table in order to implement a new policy.
That argument appearing to resonate with Justice Samuel Alito.
The practical problem is that there are 680 district court judges, and they are dedicated and they are scholarly, and I'm not impugning their motives in any way, but sometimes they're wrong.
But Justice Sonia Sotomayor noting the Supreme Court has repeatedly reaffirmed the right to citizenship for all children born in the country, warning the ban could lead to a patchwork system.
So 23 states are going to have babies who were born somewhere else without a birth certificate that you're now, if they move into your state, going to have to do checking on.
And when pressed by Justice Brett Kavanaugh, the lawyer for the Justice Department conceding the administration hasn't fully figured out how the ban would work.
On the day after it goes into effect, it's just a very practical question how this is going to work. What do hospitals do with a newborn? What do states do with a newborn?
I don't think they do anything different. What the executive order says in Section 2 is that federal officials do not accept documents that have the wrong designation of citizenship from people who are subject to the executive order.
How are they going to know that?
The states can continue to, the federal officials will have to figure that out.
How?
So a decision in this case is expected in June. Now, the justices did appear skeptical over the president's executive order to end birthright citizenship, but the administration did not ask them to take up that larger issue for now.